Hi everybody and welcome back to Cozy Corner Crafts, and today we're going to be doing another Easter craft. So in your kit you are going to get a mask. So what you're going to do with it is in your kit bag or in your bag you have glasses. You have a hat, so this is a top hat, or you can put a bow on it, so you can make it a girl bunny, and you have a flower, and let's see what else we have in here. We have these things. I thought they were carrots at first, but they're not. And then you have eyebrows. And actually, you get to choose which one you want to do. So you have these eyebrows or these eyebrows. And then you have an elastic string. And guess what you get to do with this? It's to tie your mask on. Okay, so you might need to get some help with your mom or dad to help you, or aunt and uncle or grandma and grandpa. Okay, so each kit will have a little bit different. Some have a baseball hat, some have a pink bow. This one is a green bow, but there's a pink bow. And also there's a beret instead of a top hat. So you have a couple different choices. So first what we're going to do is we are going to take the inside of the glasses off. You might need a little bit of help for this one. Oh, there it goes. Because you don't want to rip it, right? So that's the one. So now you can see. And we're going to do the other one too. And if you get really little, you might need a little bit of help, okay? But once you got it, then you can stick it. You may almost need a pair of scissors to do this. But don't get impatient because you don't want it to rip. And okay, so there's the second one. So it's a giant sticker. So you can peel it off, and then you're going to put it over the eyes of your bunny. Okay, so there's his glasses. So, are we going to make the big top hat, or are we going to do the bow? Do you know what? I think we're going to do both. But maybe we'll put the eyebrows on first. So, do I want these eyebrows, or do I want these eyebrows? Let's go with the big ones. And there it is, and I'm going to put it on top of the glasses. So that's the first one. And if you want to be really silly, you could do two different types of eyebrows. Would that be very silly? It would be. Okay, so here's the next one. And there we go. Now what we're going to do is, these are not carrots, like I said. They're actually the inside of the bunny ears. And so we're going to take it off, and actually let me just put this down a little bit. And I'm going to put it right there. And we're going to do the same with the other one. Let's see if we can try to get this right where it belongs. But there we go. So there we have that. So now we're going to get the top hat. And it's a huge sticker. And should we put it on this side? Or should we put it on this side? I think we'll put it on this side. Okay. And then we have the flower, and it can go on to the top hat. So it can go on the baseball hat. Okay, so there it goes. And you know what? I'm going to put the other one on the other ear. So I'm going to take the bow. That's a pretty nice bow, right? And I'm going to put it on the other ear. There. How does that look? It looks pretty funny, huh? And the last thing we're going to do is, can you see over here? There is a little spot, and you might have to use a pencil. And you're going to pop out these two little holes, and then we're going to put the elastic, and we're going to tie it up on one side. Might have to do a little 2 knots. Oops, sticky to my stickies. So that's the one side. And now we're going to go on to the other side. And you can tighten it to what it needs. And then last thing we're going to do is we're going to put on the bunny mask. Maybe I have to take my glasses off. And, whoops, I didn't tie it very good. But anyways, there is your Easter Bunny mask. And I hope you guys like this craft. And please show us how you did it. Stickers are sticking to me. And happy Easter, everybody. And we'll see you on Thursday at Cozy Corner Crafts. Bye.